If you're still adding effects the slow way by coming up to effects, clicking on the section and scrolling up and down and then dragging the effect onto a clip, there's a much faster way to do it. And sure, before we could click the little star icon next to an effect and then it would show up in our favorites, which makes it much quicker to find commonly used effects. But there's an even faster way. Come up to the DaVinci Resolve menu and choose Keyboard Customization. In the search bar, type Effect. Find this Search Effects section and click here. Now choose a keyboard shortcut. I'm going to hold down Shift and press Space. This warning is telling us that we've already got Shift Space assigned to this Play Around Out keyboard. I'm going to click Assign anyway, and now we can go and remove that keyboard shortcut. To do that, click the little triangle, and on the left here, click Play Around To, and then click the cross button to delete that version of the keyboard shortcut for Shift and Space. Click Save and Close. Now we can go onto our timeline, select a clip, and then type Shift Space on the keyboard, and we get this handy pop-up. Start typing to narrow down the list of effects, and either click on the effect or use down arrow on the keyboard and hit Enter to apply that. This shortcut will also work in the cut page and lets you create new clips on the timeline, such as an adjustment clip and even solid colors. Please subscribe for loads more DaVinci Resolve tutorials. Check out this video next. I'm Jason Roberts, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.